Well, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Alan. Today's video is gonna be a quick video. Just gonna be showing you guys a couple of runs I had today with my friend Brandon. I did have a passenger today. Had my boy James with me. And yeah, it was a pretty good day. We had some good runs. I think it was about 5 or 6 runs. They were pretty close, to be honest. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the video. Leave a comment, subscribe, and let me know what runs you want to see next.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Boy. That's your house?